In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dashboard in Retool. By the end, you'll have a working sales and revenue dashboard you can customize and publish for your team. I'll walk you through the exact flow, explain what's happening at each point, and share a few quick tips so everything goes smoothly. First, open your web browser and go to retool.com. If you're new to the platform, you may be prompted to sign up or sign in. Go ahead and do that so your work is saved. Once you're in, you'll land on a page that helps you start building. On that page, look for the field that says, "What app are you building today?" This is Retool's natural language builder. It's designed to understand plain English and set up the basic structure of your app based on what you describe. The clearer your description, the better the starting point you'll get. In the prompt field, type something like, "Create a sales and revenue dashboard." If you already know a bit more about what you want, you can mention details such as including charts for total revenue, revenue by product, recent orders, and a date range filter. Extra context helps Retool assemble the right components, but don't worry, you can refine everything later. When your prompt looks good, click the blue up arrow to submit it. That tells Retool to generate your app based on your description. Now wait a few moments while it loads. Retool will build out a draft dashboard, often with placeholders or sample data, and arrange components like charts, tables, and filters. If it takes a bit, that's normal. Let it finish so the layout and queries initialize properly. Once the dashboard loads, you can edit it. Click any component to see its properties panel. Here, you can change the data it displays, adjust labels and colors, add filters, and set default date ranges. If you have a real data source, connect it using the data panel, mapping fields like order amount, product name, or transaction date to the charts and tables. Keep your naming consistent so metrics are easy to read. As you preview, sanity check totals, formatting, and time zones to make sure the results match your expectations. When you're happy with the dashboard, click Publish. Give your app a clear name and, if prompted, confirm who should have access. Publishing creates a shareable, stable version while keeping your edits in a draft you can iterate on later. That's it. Your sales and revenue dashboard is live and ready for your stakeholders.